Hey guys, how you doing today? Hey, Ron here with you for AccuWeather and Pennsylvania Storm Chasers and Accurate. Today's weather station that we're going to look at from Accurate is a nice little system. Okay, a lot of people have been asking me, we want a basic weather station that can give us the outdoor temperature, the outdoor humidity, the indoor temperature, indoor humidity, and they're also looking for that forecastability. A lot of weather stations today have the capability where it learns itself, okay, where it learns the pressure over a period of 2-3 weeks, but more importantly, the forecast station will give you the forecast, for the day and the day ahead, all right? Now, the Accurate weather station, the model that we're looking at, okay, it offers indoor-outdoor temperature, indoor-outdoor humidity, weather forecast, barometric pressure. It gives you the Intel time clock, all right, gives you moon phases, and it also has an illuminated color display. In the evening, you want to be able to see the temperature outside, and the whole face here will light up, okay, so you don't have to worry about, turning on a light. As a matter of fact, a lot of people I talk to, they have it turned on, the light, and it is like a night light, for their kids' room or for their den or wherever you have the station put in at. And again, the sensor on here, it's an easy mount. You can tie it by a cord here. You can, use a nail. You can pretty much put the sensor wherever you want. Also, you can move the sensor if need be, okay? Because what happens is, say if you put the sensor up, it might be in a position where the sun is affecting the sensor. You can easily move the sensor then if you want to, okay? Especially in the summertime, you don't want the sensor out in the sunlight because then it's going to drive the temperature up. Now, if we look at the sensors that are manufactured by Accurate, they are good for -40. I mean, that is impressive right there. Already this year I had -32 degrees, and it recorded -32. So the stations are accurate, and this is absolutely affordable for around, I believe, for around $40. Don't etch me on that one, but I'm thinking around $40 you can have this weather station. And if it was me, I'd have more than one. I'd have one for, the house, one for the garage, because you always want to monitor the environment inside your garage. Also, what I've done is I've taken a second sensor and I put one in the attic. A lot of people forget about the attic, all right? For your house to be in the environment of your house for, your heating system, you want to see how much heat loss you have. I mean, if you have good insulation, a newer house, this shouldn't be a problem, but if you have an older house, okay, you'd be surprised how much heat you lose from downstairs up through the floor into your attic, all right? And that's a good way to measure, heat loss, by having a sensor, up in the attic above your living rooms or whatever, okay? Let's look again real quick, over, okay? Now, the weather forecast feature that is on the wireless sensor here, okay? Like I said, it's self-calibrating forecasting, provides your personal forecast of weather conditions for the next 12 to 24 hours by collecting data from a sensor in your backyard. And I'm amazed, because I thought, well, how can an electronic device, how can it know the forecast out to 12 to 24 hours, okay? Quite simple, okay? It's utilizing temperature and the barometer pressure to give us, the forecast ahead. Anyway, folks, check them out, Accurate. You can find this product at Walmart, Kmart. You can find it at any major retail store, okay? But this is the Accurate weather station with color display. And Accurate has a lot of different weather stations you can choose from. again, if you want that basic weather station that gives you just the basics, okay? It's not going to give you wind direction or wind speed, but it does give you the basics that you need, all right? So look at that wind just blowing it around today. All right, folks, check them out, Accurate. Hey, like I said, here in the next couple of days or so, I'll be doing a review on another Accurate weather station. But from what I can, we've been testing them out, and we like them a lot. Again, they're very, very affordable, and you can't beat them, okay?